This is our snowbird martini. We're gonna do I'm doing a whole shot of rum chata. And then a whole shot of our absolute vanilla. And then we got half and half that we add. So it gets that nice white color. Shake it until it's frothy.
There you go. Oh, wow. Thank you. Amazing.
And then we're gonna top it with whipped cream and cinnamon. And then that's the snowbird. So we're gonna start with some of our hot cider. Make sure it's nice and mixed up. And then we're gonna do about a three count pour on each with the early times whiskey and then our hot damn. So it kind of makes it like an apple cinnamon cocktail. And it comes out really nice and hot.
That's the Quicksilver?
Yep. Alright, this is my favorite drink. It's called the Top Gun. We're going to do 2 count pour of Bailey's. And then Kahlua. And then another 2 count with the Frangelico. We're going to add hot chocolate. Almost to the top. And then a dollop of whipped cream. And then we're going to top it off with raspberry liqueur. And that's the Top Gun.